All right, let's learn how to play Hoot Owl Hoot. This is a really charming cooperative game, and in just a few minutes, you'll know everything you need to get started.
So who's this game for? Well, you can play with 2 to 4 players. It's great for kids aged 4 and up, and a typical game is super quick, usually only about 15 minutes.
Okay, so the whole idea behind the game is really sweet. You've got these little owls, right? They've been out playing, and now it's getting late. Your one and only job, as a team, is to help them all get back to their nest before sunrise.
All right, let's talk about the game objective. What are we actually trying to do here?
Now, this is super important. Hoot Owl Hoot is a cooperative game. That means there's no me, only us. You're all on the same team, working together. You either all win or you all lose. Together.
And the goal? It's really that simple. Get all of the owls into the nest. The catch? You've got to do it before that sun token makes it all the way to the top of its track.
Okay, let's get this thing set up. It's super fast. First up, you need to pick your difficulty. You can use 3, 4, or even 6 owls. If it's your first time, I'd say definitely start with 3. Then, grab the sun token and put it on its starting space. Easy. Next, give the cards a good shuffle and deal 3 to every player. And here's a key part. Deal them face up so your whole team can see what everyone has. To start things off, the youngest player gets to go first. So for that beginner game we just mentioned with 3 owls, your board should look pretty much exactly like this. See? You've got the owls at the start, the sun's ready to go, and everyone's cards are out on the table.
All right, setup is done. So how do you actually play? Let's break down what you do on your turn.
Every turn is just 3 simple steps. 1. Play a card from your hand. 2. Move the piece that matches that card. And 3. Draw a new card so you're back up to 3. That's it. Play, move, draw.
Okay, so when you look at the deck, you'll see there are really only 2 kinds of cards you're dealing with. These bright yellow sun cards, and then all the different color cards. And trust me, they work in very different ways.
And this right here, this is probably the single most important rule in the whole game. If you have a sun card in your hand, you don't have a choice. You have to play it. That's your move.
And what happens when you play a sun card? Well, the sun token moves 1 space up the track. It gets closer to sunrise. And that's it. Your turn is done. You just draw a new card, and you don't get to move an owl that turn.
Okay, but what if you don't have a sun card? Well, that's great news. That means you get to play a color card. And this is how you actually move the owls and win the game.
So you play a color card, let's say a blue one. You can pick any owl on the board, doesn't matter who, and move it forward to the very next empty blue space you see on the path.
Right, but you're probably wondering, what if I play, say, a purple card, and the next purple space already has an owl sitting on it? What do I do then? This is the best part. You get to fly right over them. You just skip that occupied space and land on the next empty space of that color. Honestly, this is how you make big moves and get your owls home fast. It's the key to the game.
Okay, you know how to move the owls in the sun. So how does it all end?
It's pretty straightforward. The players win if you can get every single owl into that nest at the end of the path. But if the sun token reaches the very last space on its track before all the owls are home, then the sun wins, and unfortunately, the whole team loses.
So before you go, I've got a couple of quick tips to help you get that win.
First thing, try not to let any single owl fall way behind the others. It can be really tough to get them caught up. Here's a pro tip. See if you and another player can play the same color back to back. That's how you set up those awesome flyover moves we were just talking about. But really, the biggest thing is to talk. Always talk it out as a team to figure out the absolute best move.
And hey, the game itself says it best. Working together is the key. And it's so true. Communication is everything here.
And just like that, you know how to play. You're all set to get Hoot Owl Hoot to the table. Go have fun, and good luck getting those owls home.